In this video, we will make video text. Make a video in a text. So how to do that? This is the text layer. And this is the video. So let's make a text layer length as a video length. Then reposition your text. Then select the video layer and add effect. Go to effect and search track matte key. Drag this track matte key on your video layer. On effect control, go here, track matte key. On a track matte key, we have matte on a video layer 2. So let's play the video. You will see here a nice video text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.